How to upload short video on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will tell you how you guys can simply upload a YouTube short to your channel in just a few minutes. So firstly, come on to your channel. So when you've opened up your channel, after that, simply get a YouTube short video ready as well. So when you have that YouTube short video ready, when you've uploaded it, it is going to look something like this, like the short videos that I have uploaded in the past. So it is going to look like this. So now simply click on this plus button over here, which is create, and then click on upload video. Now once you do that, that is going to take you over here on this page. So from over here, simply drag and drop your YouTube short. And once you drag and drop your YouTube short, that is going to come over here. So now from over here, you guys can put in your title and your description. So I'm going to type in a title. And then after that, I am going to paste that in the description. Now, once I do that, now I can simply click on next. And I'll also have to click on no, it's not made for kids. If it is not made for kids, then next. And then after that, I'll click on next once again. And then now click on publish, and your video is going to get published to the internet, and it is going to appear in a shorts format like the videos that I have already on my channel, which look like this. So over here, as you can see, this video is in a short format, and your videos are gonna look like this once you have uploaded them exactly like the way I told you. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care till next time. Goodbye.